Hey guys, how are you doing? So Master Snowstorm requested a video of the Nissan truck. So for that, excuse me, my Oldsmobile is going to get a little heart transplant. Since this battery is not the greatest, we're going to be putting the one from the Nissan truck in there since it's a year old and this is 5 years old. So I like our new grill. It looks really nice. Anyways, so it's the last day we'll see the truck. It's going for your Retire Your Ride program. It has 137,443 kilometers from a 1994. Here's the interior. We're gonna miss it. So it was a lovely truck. As you may have seen from our personal startup tour, this truck runs beautifully. Alright, here's the motor. Finally got the hood open. So it's a Nissan 2400. I think it's a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. I think they use this in the 240SX if I'm not mistaken. Really dirty, but so what your Retire Your Ride is going to be doing is going to be salvaging the engine, dismantling it, reselling it for parts, but they can't sell the motor because it's Retire Your Ride. So you're going to take off like the radiator, maybe the windshield washer reservoir, the air filter, and the sorts. That's it, there's the engine. It's the last video we'll ever take of it. We'll miss you. As you can see, it's starting to rust a bit. It's just the frame that's rusting. Could be falling apart too, so. Hey Maggie! Lights all cracked. And there's the old battery. Alright, so I got the new battery, the Kirkland year-old battery. So, see if it'll start. No. Try again. There we go. Beautiful. That's a good battery there. So it has about 1,875 volt cranking amps. My other battery had 875 and 775, so I know it's a strong battery. Nice. Go play. I could tell it was a weak battery. Oh. There's stuff for the ratings. Numbers don't crush your car. Whew. Anyways, that was pretty funny. Well, goodbye, Nissan truck. We're gonna miss you.